And that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Jordan 3 Retro, Cardinal Red. Hope you like. Sheesh! Check us out next time. See you soon for another review. Take care, guys. Yes, guys. So, welcome back. Sheesh! Let's get right to it. So, as you all know, bit of a collector now. It's not my first rodeo, guys. This is another shot I've been shopping off online. So, as part of my challenge, going around my local city, I thought I'd add a few more shoes in because there's not that many shops. So, I bought something online. This is one of the items. Pro Direct Soccer, guys, so check them out. They got some good deals. They got Pro Direct Soccer, basketball, tennis, golf, etc. It's a sports branding shop, so it's not your normal retailer. So thinking outside the box, guys, you want to look at new sporting shops because they might be holding stock that they're not selling, where people are going to retailers first and foremost. So yeah, it's a good idea if you check these stores. They sometimes go under retail. They have sales on 20%, 30% less. So, but guys, I picked this up for retail. To be honest with you, I'm not quite sure what it is. So here we go. I'm going to open it. We'll see what it is, and we'll talk a little about the shoe. See what it looks like. See if you like it or not. See if it's dope or nope. See if you pass it or purchase, basically. We'll have a look. We'll have a little look. Let's have a look what we got. Oh. Jordan box. Always good. Nice, guys. I know it's either a Jordan 3 or 4, maybe a 5. I'm looking at the box. All my other shoes coming in box in a swing lid. This lid I can see lifts straight off. So we've got the red Jordan Jumpman with the red inside. I do like that, it's hard. To be honest guys, I don't see much like this, so I am impressed with that. I will be putting this to my own collection. So this is a personal pair guys, something I'm going to be putting and wearing, putting on foot. I ain't going to be keeping it on ice. It's not something I'm going to be keeping for stock for the value to go up. It's something I want for myself, something I want to show you guys, and maybe something that I'll be giving away in the future. But yeah, I will be wearing it, will be getting some use out of it, and seeing what it looks like. Just noticed it comes with a little Jordan Jumpman sticker, but I think I just stuck into the box. See if we can salvage that. This. I always like the accessories, guys. Kind of cute. I don't know if you could like rock it on the hat or something. But yeah, maybe I should start taking them out of the boxes, guys, because I don't know if you guys appreciate them. Maybe I can start putting them on my laptops, maybe on my mirrors, on my wall. Who knows? But yeah, I do like them. Almost tempted to stick them to the box, but I don't want to devalue the shoes, guys. Maybe it's just nice to keep it as an accessory inside the box. Yeah, so we'll give you guys a look. It's the Cardinal Reds. So just released, guys, the retros. So they're a re-release. Real nice shoe. I do like this shoe a lot. It's something I've been after for a little while and managed to get. I got for retail, guys, so pretty happy with that. I know the value of this shoe is increasing as we speak. It is going up, so really happy. Let's take it out of the box. Yeah, it's really nice, real nice shoe. The print on the back, on the toe. It's a bit by the lace as well. Don't know if you can see. You've got the red underneath. With the Jordan. The Jordan on the tongue. It's like a red satin going all the way inside. Yeah, it feels really nice, guys. So I bet it feels really good on the foot. Real soft. It's a really sexy shoe. I do like the red and the white. I always like the red and the white. And with the Jordan, guys, red and white always sells well. So for the resale value, you know, inside the box as well is red. So, and the boxes, guys, you know, you want to keep fresh. You want to keep the box as fresh as the shoe, in my opinion, because if you're a collector like me, I do like showing off the shoe, but also I like showing off the box. And if you've got a nice box like this, it's something to keep and take pride of. I tend to shrink wrap the shoes also, guys, for resale and also for myself, because I don't like to get dirty fingerprints on them. So on Amazon, and other, maybe eBay, etc., you can find like clear bags that you put the shoe inside and then use a heat gun or a hair dryer, and it'll shrink it to the shoe and trim off the excess, and then just heat it again and it'll shrink it, and that then will keep the shoe box fresh. So it won't devalue the shoe. It can't be tried on by anyone, and if anyone touch it, they're not going to leave dirty fingerprints on it. Pet hate. And also it keeps the structure of the shoe, guys. So what would look nice, I think, on this shoe with some red would be some red laces. I'm not sure if they've given us any spares. Usually they do, but no, it doesn't seem to be today, guys. But yeah, it's a really nice pair of shoes. I really like it. Tell me what you think. Do you reckon it's a nice pair? I do believe the value will keep increasing on these, but they are recently released, guys, so hold on to them for a little bit. I'm going to get some use out of them. As I said, I'm going to wear them, so looking forward to wearing them. But yeah, real nice shoe, something I'm happy to own, and also something I'm happy to show you guys. This is now about my 4th pair of Jordans, personal, guys. But overall, pretty clean shoe, clean colours, it's not over the top. It's the Air Jordan 3 Retro with the white light curry Cardinal red. It's a nice shoe, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave some comments. As I said, maybe we'll be giving a pair of these away in the competition, but I'll speak more about that again in some of my further videos. But guys, I will be giving a pair away. We have got a competition coming up, and I'll leave details below when I know more, when I've confirmed the dates, and when I know what I'm giving away. Peace out, guys. Much love. Take care. Thanks for watching. And until next time.